Subscribe with notifications on.
So guys, I don't want to be long, but I was thinking, let me just take a glimpse of what we can discuss. What is it we can talk about? Why is our South African male and woman scared to travel? Why are we scared to travel? And why is our South African white male do not want to date our African women? Because most of these African women now, who are dating these white people, these white people are not from South Africa. Maybe there is 1 or 2% of white South Africans who are dating, our black African women. So what I'm trying to say, I want to find out from you guys, why is it like this? Why? Like I was saying, that's my opinion. I was thinking maybe most of these white people who are dating our, African sisters these days, who are married to them, is because of the low financial stability. Because of, as you know, you can, as a white person, you can afford to buy loaf of bread and peanut butter and jam and make tea and have tea. A black woman doesn't care. She will appreciate that. She will appreciate the fact that she's got something to eat. But your own white woman, you will never gonna buy bread and give them tea with peanut butter and jam and rama. Never. You will never gonna dare do that. You have to make sure you prepare decent breakfast for them. That's who they are. They are very expensive. So I'm thinking maybe they are running away from them because of they are very expensive and because of their low financial stability. Some of these white male who are married, they maybe some of them were rich. They got broken. They got broke. Now they're thinking, I cannot date our own white people. So guys, these days you think many people, they are together because of love. There's no love these days. It's all about money. This money thing is evil, guys. It's evil. Money is the root of all evil. Let me put it this way. Let me not say money is the root of all evil. No. Poverty is the root of all evil, not money. Because poverty leads you to loving money. Without poverty, you cannot love money. You can't. You won't be greedy because of, you're not suffering. Why would you need money? Yes, you need money there and there, but you won't be so desperate because of, you are not poor. So poverty is the root of all evil. Not money is the root of all evil. That's wrong. That's wrong. Money is not the root of all evil, but poverty is the root of all evil. So guys, let us try to discuss this. What is the problem? What can we do? What can we do to convince our South African white men to start believing in our own South African black woman? I was so proud to see them, even in the malls, man, being together, dating one another, marriage, I would be proud. But it's very, very difficult in South Africa. It's very difficult. Two things. White men, they are scared to date our own South African black woman because of apartheid. An apartheid system is the only thing that actually stopped us from the thinking that we can travel. So that is a big problem. What is it that we can do to break through those boundaries? Guys, I don't know. Share your views. Let me know. We'll keep on coming to share to ask questions. Maybe you guys will be able to assist and so forth, so we can see what is it that we can do. But to be honest with you, it's tough. Now, I want to lie. Most relationships these days are hanging because of finances, because of money. There's no love anymore. Gone are those days where we used to get women who love for our grannies, used to love, pure love. My granny, those time, that time, about 1990, 1980, 1985, 74, somewhere there. They were pure love. A woman wouldn't mind dating a man and believing that this man will stand up, and she will support that man. Who will stand up and work until he becomes okay. But these days, they will never date you if you don't have money. Money ahead in front before love. When you meet someone on the street these days, they ask you, are you working? Where are you working? What do you do for a living? There is a question they will ask you. What do you do for a living? I mean, someone like that asking you such question? Do you think that person loves you? You can be as ugly as you can be. It doesn't matter. You can be a gorilla. As long as you tell them that I'm working at the bank. They think for you working at the bank, you've got money. I'm a manager at the bank. When you say I'm running my own business, they don't care, women of these days, whether you are poor whether you are ugly or handsome, it doesn't matter. You know what they say? They even changed the scenario. They say a man is not all about the face. A man is all about the wallet. As long as your pocket is rich, that's where the man falls in. As long as you don't have this, forget. So that is the problem that we're facing. So guys, I'm going to end this. Tomorrow I'll come up with another topic. Let us try to share our views and see how we can try to, to cap some of the problems that we're facing in our lives, our daily lives. I open this platform for us to be able to engage one another, communicate, share your views, comment down below, subscribe, support our channels and so forth. The more we grow, the more we'll be, I'll be traveling, guys. Soon I'll be traveling. I'll be making content about some other, countries. I'll be going to hotels, doing interviews as well, just to try and get to the glimpse of, the services of other hotels and see how the other hotels, how is the standard of hotels and so forth. I want to just help the world, before they can check into the hotel, you need to know the type of services this hotel is running and so forth and so forth. So when you come to the hotel, I'll make sure I'll, brief you guys with everything within the hotel, starting from the reception when you enter, from the main gate actually, before the reception, and from the reception that you're going to get, the main staff, and then on top of that, from there, the restaurants, the rooms, the room service, and all those type of things, the facilities and all those type of things. So this is one thing that I want to cover, but let's keep that for another day. Let's keep that for another videos, another upcoming videos. I've got a lot of trips that is lined up. Some trips are for Africa, some trips are for Europe, and so forth. But listen to me, like I said, I'm scared to travel to these African countries. I'm very scared. Guys, help me. Help me. Maybe try to ease my fear. Why am I scared to travel to Nigeria? Why am I scared to travel to Ghana? Why am I scared to travel to Congo? Why am I scared to travel to Tanzania? Why am I scared to travel to Kenya? Why am I scared to travel to Botswana? Why am I scared to travel to Mozambique? Why am I scared to travel to Swaziland? Please guys help me. What is it that I can do to remove the fear? I trust going to European countries. Because there, I know, I won't be abused. There is no apartheid there. Those people, they know how to take care of us.